tested and ready to take you off-road. The Bravo MT753 has become a legend, an intermediate terrain tyre trusted to deliver premium performance in a vast range of conditions. The reliability and reputation of the Bravo MT753 has everything to do with precision technology, part of the thoroughbred of all Maxxis four-wheel drive tyres. This robust tyre is both stylish and ruggedly attractive. Perfect for making your four-wheel drive look and perform like a champion. The Maxxis Bravo MT753 is a true workhorse, developed through extensive testing and VIP coded technology. An ideal choice for drivers who expect the most from their tyres. Double steel belted construction provides long-lasting wear and uniformity. Jointless, spiral-wrapped full nylon cap ensures additional strength and durability. Key features you can depend on. Well-designed open shoulder lugs mean that when you need to get your vehicle through the wet or the rough, your tyres are actually self-cleaning while you drive, delivering you maximum grip on the trail, wherever you are. You could say it's that secure Maxxis feeling when you're behind the wheel. Superior sidewall strength and extra heavy-duty construction means that these tyres handle the load and stand up against the most challenging situations. And whilst the Bravo's special tread design is beautifully showcased off the beaten track, these tyres adapt perfectly to the bitumen and those seemingly endless country roads, taking you through the townships, past the remains of yesteryear, into the wilds and onward to your favourite place, wherever that may be. Because a journey with Maxxis means having complete peace of mind. Bravo MT753, the legend you can rely on. Maxxis MT753. Tyres for people going places.